Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download DaVinci Resolve 18.5 for free. So let's get started. In our search field, we're going to search the DaVinci Resolve, and then up at the very top we have DaVinci Resolve 18. So let's go ahead and click on that. We need to scroll down just a little bit, and on the left hand side we have the free download. Let's click on that. We have a few options here. There is a public beta, and the studio version is the paid version for the beta. Let's go ahead and download the DaVinci Resolve 18.6. By the way, you can choose between Mac, Windows, or Linux, but I'll hit on Windows because that's what I'm using right now. We have to fill out some information. I'll just have to fill out on that. Fast forward. Once that's complete, just click on the register and download. There will be a thank you message and the download should begin automatically. After the installation file has downloaded, just extract this by right-clicking and choosing to extract. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. You must install the components that are checked by default. You can actually install all of the things that are going to show up to you. So it's actually currently downloading for me, but you should be able to click install and just agree to the terms. And once the installation is completed, just click on finish and just go ahead and double click to launch DaVinci. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.